Today I share with you how I cook this vegetable beef sauce. If you have any beef right there in your fridge, trust me, this is the right way to enjoy it. On a clean pot, I will add in already washed beef, then season with salt and chop onions. So over here is the dashed onions. I will add it, and I have the glorious and flavor masala spices. I just finished adding that. I will just stir together, let that to get cooked for just 2 minutes like this, and after 2 minutes you have to give that a stir. This is just cooking with its own juice. I did not add water during the first process. Now I will just stir, and I will be adding some fat, guys. You know, so your girl still dey lean and still need some fat. So if you know say you dey fat, they don't add, okay? So I just adding a little bit of it, then adding water that will enable this to get cooked, then cover that to get cooked at least 1 to 2 hours, because this is strong meat, guys. It take me a long time to cook this, so that's cooked for at least 2 hours with high heat. Maximum time of cooking this is complete, guys. That is 2 hours. I'm just going to take him streamer, then bring out the meat and take it out from the stock. At this point, my people, this meat don't cook. It cooks so amazing and beautifully. This is how I always enjoy eating beef. I like to be eating beef and see that beef look so soft. If I'm eating beef is not soft, I will not enjoy it. So guys, after cooking this beef, it looks so soft, looks so delicious. Every bit of this beef is just so amazing, as you can see. So now I'm done cooking this beef, and this point is okay. I will just take it out from the stock water. So that is it, guys. In the same pot, I'm going to be adding cooking oil. So I just clean up the pan and I'm adding oil. Next I will add in some chopped onions. Let that to get fried. Stir together, guys. I just stir that for that to get fried at least 1 second before I will add in any other ingredient. Just like this, it has fried. At this point, I will just give it a little bit of stir. Now I will be adding tomato inside the pot of onions. Over here is the blended tomato I will be making use of. Next is for me to season this stew, guys. I will be seasoning with these spices I just show you guys now. Trust me, guys, these spices is just so amazing. At this point, you don't need any mangi cube, whatever. Just season with these spices, you are going to enjoy your food. So I just finished adding that. Now I will stir that together, and I'm still going to leave the names of the ingredients in my description box. Cover this to get cooked at least 5 to 6 minutes, just like this. Just good at the sauce, guys. 6 minutes later, this is what I have. So next I will be adding is this tomato sauce. So over here is 1 bottle of it. I will just pour it inside the stew. Over here I will just add every bit of it down there, and then I will give that a very good stir. If you have watched to this extent, haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for? Please now share for me. Help me to share the video, okay? I covered that to get cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. 4 minutes later, this is what I have. It looks so nice, and now I'll be adding the meat. Look at the beef. I just pour everything inside there, and that is how it's pumping. Look at that. Just look at that. My people, every bit of this stew is just so delicious. I'm telling you the truth. So it did not end there. I'm going to be adding some vegetable just like this on top of the soup. Let this to just simmer. A hot go. At this point, guys, your soup done ready, your sauce done ready, your stew done ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share. Bye bye.